Hi, second graders. Happy Friday and happy last day of Number Corner. I cannot believe that we have made it this far. It has been such a crazy month and a crazy year, and I'm just so excited to see what our animal is and get us rolling. So I talked yesterday, but we are going to do Friday, May 28th, and we're also going to do the 29th, 30th, and 31st. So we have a lot of days to do. So we're just going to jump right into it. We're looking at May 28th, Friday, 2021. Our fun fact is that adult emu can live up to 35 years and grow up to 7 feet or 5 feet 7 inches tall. So about like the average height of maybe an adult there. But they can live to be 35, which is kind of old for an animal, which is kind of cool. So let's take a look at our where Joey went. So we left yesterday at 690. Today it looks like Joey is at, I'm in the 400s, 440. So I'm going to head to my calendar grid. I'm going to put in today, which is 5/28. Like I said, we left off at 690. And we're trying to figure out, we have to go backwards because 690 is bigger than 400 and whatever. So it looks like it's 440. 440 is what we're looking at. So minus whatever to get us to 440, which is where we're going to continue for Saturday. So let's head to our calendar grid. So here was our 690. So first let's go up to 400. So we have to go minus 100 minus 200. So that's 2 arrows up. So let me grab my draw, my pen. Oh, let's use this. So it's 2 arrows up. 1, 2. So that's 200. And then we need to go up to 1, 2. And then we need to go to the side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Minus 50. So that'd be 5 arrows to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Miss Thing's arrows are not the greatest. 5. So that means that we are subtracting 250, and that brings us to 440 as our final answer. We are going to look, I believe, yep, it's a half. So we're going to do half of our 440. So I'm going to grab my highlighter. Just coloring in half. Awesome. All right, so that was today's, and then we need to do Saturday. So I know that we're kind of going in the future, but this is going to be our last day of Number Corner. So I really want to make sure that we can figure out what our mystery animal is. So that makes me excited. So on Saturday, our Joey will be going 1 down and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. Whoa. Our Joey is making moves. Oops, wrong thing. There we go. Here it is. All right, so we're going to stop drawing. We're going to go over here. I'm going to type in, maybe. Oh, mamma mia. Give me 1 second. There we go. Okay, so the date is going to be 5/29. We left off at 440, and we said our Joey is going down and to the right. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the right, 6. So down only 1, which is good. But then to the right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So let's go here. We are at 440. We're going to go down and then to the right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are at 600, and we are coloring it half in green, the bottom half, which would make sense, right? Noticing our pattern here. So it got us to 600. Stop drawing. There we go. So 440 plus, because we went down and to the right, plus 160, and that got us to 600. So that will take us into Sunday, which will be, Sunday will be May 30th, almost the end of the month, leaving off at 600. Let's now take a look at where Joey goes on Sunday, where he's going to go. So Sunday, whoa, Sunday Joey's making some big moves. He goes up 3, and he goes to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up 3 to the left 7. So I'm going to grab my arrow. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that, boys and girls, would be 600. I know I'm going kind of fast, but I just want to make sure. 600 is where we start. We need to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's see, our Joey, is coloring. It's actually going a different direction. It's going to go the opposite diagonal way. So that means that we're going to go towards the 240. So I'm going to grab my highlighter, hit the red, and we're actually going to be coloring in going opposite of our diagonals that we've kind of been doing earlier. So I know mine's not quite in half, but you want to color it in half, okay? 230 is where that brings us to. So 600 minus 270, sorry, 300 minus 370 gets us to 350, right? Or 300 or 230. Whoa, that's stunning. 230. All right. So that's where we're going to leave off on Sunday. So now we just have one more day, the 31st, May 31st. So this would be Monday of school, but because it's Memorial Day, it's a holiday that we have, we will not be in school. So I will not be able to do number corner with you, and that's why we are doing it right now. So we're going to get our last square for this month. Okay, so let's figure out where Joey ends his trip. Our last day, which ends with these Australian animals. We see different animals. We see a koala and a turtle and a dolphin and a bat, a kangaroo, a platypus, porcupine, emu, right? All these awesome animals that we can find in Australia. Only 470 more jumps for you, Joey, to go. By now, he's jumping ever so slow. But the lorikeet flies as you color it green, the loveliest parakeet you've ever seen. So we need to add 470 to our 230, and it should give us our animal. So 230 plus 470, let's see where that takes us. So we start at 230. For adding 470, we have to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which makes sense that at 700, we're going to color it green. And boys and girls, we have made it to the end. We have colored in a parakeet. A parakeet is a type of animal or a bird that you would find deep in Australia. So we're going to finish it off here with our equation, which equals 700, and that is our last number. Boys and girls, you have done it. Give yourselves a big round of applause. You did so awesome. So in your seesaw for today, you're going to finish coloring in those missing gaps, and then you're going to answer what was your mystery animal for the month. It was a parakeet. It's a type of bird. Great job, boys and girls. Thank you for such a fun number corner month. You are going to be working on the second half of your number corner checkpoint for today. Look over your work one last time and then hit that green check mark so your teacher can check your work. Thanks, boys and girls. Have a really awesome day. Bye.